In today's lesson, we're exploring this question. Could a domino ever knock over a building or even a house? It's a pretty strange question because if you've ever seen a domino before, you know that they're really small. They can fit in the palm of your hand. And when you look at a house or a building, you know that they're very strong. They're built out of materials that allow them to withstand extreme weather events like tornadoes, hurricanes, tidal waves, tsunamis, and flooding, as well as other related events like wildfires. And so, how could a domino possibly knock it over? In this next clip, you're going to see some huge buildings, which are demolition, which means they basically blow up and collapse. Watch how it works. Whoa, pretty cool, right? Yeah, this takes a lot of skill and very special materials and ingredients in order to collapse buildings in this way. And it usually takes a lot of advanced knowledge from people with special degrees to make sure that the buildings collapsing don't hurt anyone. They have to collapse in a very particular way. In the next video clip, you're going to see a whole bunch of dominoes collapsing in shapes and forms in different ways that are carefully planned out, and they look really cool. It's basically art. Teacher, go ahead and play the short domino chain reaction video by Havesh 5 on the second link.